Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we're having a visit from the Wordy Witch. So today I've got a book review for you and I've been dying to film this for a long time so I can share it with you. This is a book that was written by Jennifer Roberts, who is primarily known within the diamond painting community as a YouTuber. She runs DP Addiction Adventures and she is the author of this fabulous guide and logbook. So it's the Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook, Tips and Tricks for Creating, Personalizing and Displaying Your Vibrant Works of Art, which I love as a description. So let's take a little look inside. Obviously not going to show you everything, but I just want to show off the quality of this book and also just give you a little mini tour of, you know, the best bits really. So obviously we've got the contents, usual thing. So it's all broken down into lovely sections and everything's laid out beautifully with lots of pictures, so you can really get a feel for what she's trying to explain. And I think there's a lot here for everyone. It's not just for those who are brand new to diamond painting. I think it will be great. There's good hints and tips in there. Even for those that have been diamond painting for a while, you're going to find something that you hadn't heard of before. So starts right at the basics. What I love as we go through is you get these little pro tips. You also get these sections on diamond painting lingo, so explaining what inventory means, kits and stash, kitting up, what these phrases mean, which to some of us probably seem completely normal everyday language now, but the first time you heard it could possibly have been a confusing time. I know there's things that I came across at the very beginning that I had no idea what people were talking about. So we've got a section on tools, so she breaks down pens, different sorts, instructions on making your own if you want to make a polymer clay one. We've got information about multi-places, including pros and cons, the sort of older type versus the newer type of multi-placer, plastic versus brass, straighteners, big section on wax, looking at your basic wax that you get with the kits, alternatives to wax, some of the sort of custom wax like the paddy wax and the Not Your Mama's Mud. Pretty things, storing your wax. So drill trays, from your basic green ones to fancy custom ones. This section I found particularly interesting, looks at the diamonds in great detail. She's got some really useful pictures in here of the things that can go wrong with diamonds, so you can understand why your diamond looks like it does and maybe understand why not to use it. So yeah, just going through, looking at the legend, extra accessories and storage, stands for your pens, washi tape, light pads, mesh rulers, cover minders, tweezers. Then we've got a section tips and tricks. This talks about how to combat some of the problems, so how to deal with oily diamonds and static diamonds, different issues like bubbles and rivers and puckers in your canvas, what to do if you have got some paper stuck on your canvas, to seal or not to seal, that is the question. How to store your canvases, different covers. Again, we've got these little tips all over, resources, are great. So this section gives you lots of information, gives you the information about lots of different companies. So we've got, you know, Blushing Blackbird, Craftably, Crystal Art, Diamond Art Club, Dreamer Designs, Diamond Dots, Ever Moment. The list goes on. Companies that do accessories. We've got YouTubers that she particularly likes. Information about Jennifer. And then the second half of the book is a logbook. So there's a little bit of information on how to fill it out. I have really only just started using this as a logbook. So there's a little space for you to put a picture. What I particularly like is for those of us that buy from Diamond Art Club, the square that she's left you to put a picture in is exactly the right size for that small sticker that comes with your Diamond Art Club kits, so that you can stick that in and have all the information there that you need for those kits. So we've got lots of information that you can add to the log sheet, including, you know, a little mini review when you unbox it, and then a little mini review afterwards. And then, so we've got, what's that go up to? It goes up to page 172. So you've got plenty of pages there. So you've got over 70 pages worth. And obviously you could always take a copy of this and work on it in your own, you use it in your own folder. I think this is an absolutely beautiful book. It would make a great gift for the diamond painter in your life. And additionally, I think it's just not only nice to have, but nice to purchase to support a member of the diamond painting community who's given a lot to others. And this is our way, by purchasing the book, of giving a little bit back to her. So it's available on a few online book sites. I purchased from amazon.co.uk. It was $16.99 with free delivery on Prime. It is listed as $24.99 US. I will put all the details and links to the Amazon page and links to Jennifer's YouTube and Instagram and stuff, so you can go and check her out. But yeah, take a look, and I will see you guys for another Wordy Witch installment in the near future. Bye.